This is 2026, and if you still mobile data using apps like PalmPay, OPay, or using all these virtual network or websites or application, use is very 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 wrong. So I'll be teaching you how to get cheap data plan for MTN by using USSD and very cheap method. So if you also use the MTN app to get data plan, which is a little bit quite expensive also, or you also use this normal MTN code *323*3#, it's really really cost. So let's go ahead to check on this. Let's go ahead to my keypad. So let's go ahead to my keyboard and dial 312#. So let's see how using this code gives. So, and if we've ordered this and we just go ahead to click on option 1 for data plan and checking this. So let's see the daily, monthly, and also other plans. So you can see this is really really expensive. Imagine having to pay 750 naira just to get 2.5 gig. Bullshit. And 1000 just to get 3.5 gig. Still bullshit. So I'll be teaching us a very very simple way of getting cheap data plans for cheap prices. So let's check this now. Let's check the monthly bundle, and you can see you get 1.5 for just 2 plus 2 gigabytes. Actually that's just 4 gigabytes for 1500. That's really a lot. So when you calculate that, that means you're paying over 1005 divided by 4 to get 1 gigabyte, and that's really really, that's close to 400 naira for just 1 gigabyte. That's really really cost and expensive times 2 of what my plan can give you. So I'll be giving us a very very sharp code on how to make this happen. So just go ahead to dial *121#. Most of us already know this plan, but I'll be showing you what you can do with this plan and how much it costs for 1 gigabyte. So *121#. So I'll just go ahead to click on my sim, and you can go ahead to check all through this. So let's first try the first option, top deal. Once you click on one, you click on send, you can get to see this here, 5.4 gig plus. If you like calling, I basically don't do offline calls or SMS call. No, what I mean offline calls, I don't like that at all, so I don't use this. So I just go back to my main menu and check. So you can actually check the data for me, which sometimes might be very very okay. So you can see there 14,000 for 14 gigabytes for 3,500, while on the other application we have 4,000 for I think almost 7 gigabytes. This is like times 2 of that. So let's just go ahead to the main part of this. So it is called smart data. So I'm just going to put here smart data and discover every application that you can actually use. You have 4 options here. You have a day offer which you can check. So let's check this here. One. So here you can see you have 400 for 2 gigabytes. 400 for 2 gigabytes. That is really really wonderful. That means you are paying absolutely 200 for 1 gigabyte. So you can see you are getting 1 gigabyte for as low as 200, which is very nice. And in some applications they let you pay over 750 naira for 1 gigabyte. Some ask 500 for 1 gigabyte. Some ask for up to 350 for 1 gigabyte. But this is telling you to pay 200 per gigabyte, so it is very okay. But you can go ahead to check more, because that's not the only part we have. So you can check your 7-day offer. So let's check our 7 days offer. So you can see 1,500 for 7 gigabytes, 1,500 for 7 gigabytes. So let's go ahead to calculate this. So let's see how much we pay per gigabyte for a weekly basis. So let's just go 7 divided by, 1,500 divided by 7. So you have to pay just 214 naira per gigabyte for weekly basis. So you can see this is very very okay, and compared to how much you pay, just compared to how much you pay for the previous ones. So this is MTN, and yeah, MTN data are quite expensive than Airtel data. I'll be teaching us also how to make, or how to pay as low as 200 for 3 gigabytes on Airtel. So yeah, you hear me right, sorry, 300 naira for 2 gigabytes on Airtel. So this is 214 for just 1 gigabyte on MTN. And let's just go ahead to check other deals here. So *121#, we have to call this, and let's go ahead to smart data plans for, And let's check the 3. You can see 14 days plan. You can see cheap data bundle. You can see 2,500 for 12 gigabytes or 3,000 for 14 gigabytes. So this is really, really cheap. And let's check the last day offer. So let's check the last one. That's the 4, so that's 30 days offer. Let's see how much they play. So you can see here 39 gigabytes for 8,000 naira on a monthly basis. 39 gigabytes for 8,000 naira on a monthly basis. And let's check this out. So let's go ahead to click on 8,000 divided by 39 to see how many gig we pay. So as you can see here, you're just paying 205 naira per gigabyte. So if you found this video very, very wonderful, I think you should need to stop using the other data plan you use, because this smart data cover for every application you have on your phone, and it's a general data plan. So go ahead to switch to using these code *121# on MTN as to give you very, very cheap data plans. And the only issue about this is that you can't share this data. So it is not like the normal data you share, but you can switch on your hotspot and it can cover all applications, but you can't share this data, which I really, really like. So for example, someone trying to tell me don't share me data, I'm like, no, I can't share. But I use smart data. So smart data is the best option for we MTN users right now. I'll also be dropping a video for Airtel users, and I feel like they're going to find this very, very wonderful. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.